So welcome to the third section of the class basic line command line interface. Now there are more commands that can be used for a particular thing. You can compare different file commands to see what they do. You can create MD5 sum. Anything you want to do, the most important thing is knowing the basics. Then you can use your cheat sheet to know the exact command that is used for. Now you can use the grep command, that's grep, if you want to show all the lines that contain, like, let me say, a specified string. Take for example, we have a file. Let's see if we have a file here. We have a file .txt. We can use grep command to check for, let's look for BO in what? We want to look for BO in this file, bonite.txt. So let's check the content of bonite.txt. Okay, it's not bringing that one out. Now let's do it again. Let's run it again. Grep BO. We are in a way we are kind of like searching for the word. We want to see what's there. Boniface. That's we are like searching. Normal search. It brought it out. So imagine you are dealing with like an encyclopedia, or you are dealing with like a dictionary. You have the text file of a dictionary. Then you would know that you would be able to single out this thing. Alongside grep, there's this thing they use. They call it pipe. This pipe. So I can say Boniface. Sorry. I can say bonite.txt pipe it. That I want to single out everything through the normal function of pipe. Let me see, there's a large volume of information. I want to single it out to a limited amount of information. Now to explain it better, I would have loved to use the example of there's this popular dictionary list of dictionary list of password. It has a lot of rocku.txt. Now we are going to access rocku.txt. Then we are going to see the content. Please mind you, I think it has billions of passwords there. Okay, so where are we? PWD. It's always good to know where we are. We are in home and Kali. So this rocku.txt that I made mention of is a file that contains large list of passwords. Okay. The name comes from the website Rocku. Then it leaked over 40 million passwords. I think as of now, we should have like a good number of passwords there. Okay, let's just continue for the sake of the class too, so that we'll not like skip the basic things. I would have said we go to rocku.txt, then we play around it. Now, if you want to look for a particular file, you can use find. You can also use find. You can also use unique. That's UNIQ. So there was one command I used at the very beginning of the class. Please mind you, I'm not going to explain all the commands one after the other. You can always check commands and check your cheat sheet and know what they are used for. Now, you can zip a file with zip. You can unzip a file with unzip. You can create a folder with make directory. That's mkdir. So let me type in mkdir So let's say you want to make a folder and you want to call the folder you thrive. You've created a folder. So let's list and see. You can see, where is you thrive? Okay, you thrive is over here. So you've made a folder. If you want to delete it, you can still use your RM to delete it. Now let's check if RM can delete you. Let's check if RM can delete you thrive just like that. You thrive. See, I said it earlier on. You cannot remove you thrive because it's a directory, so like it's a folder. So now, like I told you, what I like using is RM and R. It's going to, irrespective, if you like, be a folder, be an ordinary file, be whatever it is you're going to be, it's going to remove you. Now I am recursive, then you thrive. Let's check. It's no longer there. It has gone away. So RM hyphen using that argument, then you are good. You want to start a process, you want to kill a process, you can use kill to kill a process. If you want to know a process number, you can use PID. What I'm saying is you can always check it in your cheat sheet. Yes, you can check it in your cheat sheet. Okay, good. If you want to, I'm not going to move to this aspect. I won't like do more on this, but I just like give you a bit of understanding. You want to kill a process, the popular one people use is Control C. Control and C. Press it together. Or some use Control Z. That's Control Z. Yes. Now, if you want to change the mode of permission, I have a particular file. You can use chmod. Now, I'm not going to break it down to start telling you what exactly permissions are. It's like a different topic entirely. But just know that the overall permission that can be given to a file is what 777. Yeah, 777. In the first course, being Intro to Cybersecurity by Cisco, which I've told you things about permission. So chmod, like chmod, I'm using permission of a file. Now let's first check the permissions that we have for all these files. Now see, let's use this utrive for example. Where is the utrive? I think we've removed the utrive. Let's use pictures for example. It's a directory, read write executable. This for the like this 1, 2, 3. They have their different persons that can access. That's trying to tell you that this is for group. The middle one is for group. The first one is for owner. The last one is for others. In other words, you can use OGO to remember. So now, like I said, 7 is to, if you want to give the permission of read, write, and execute, 7. Read, write, and execute, 7. So if you want to give all of them 777, what I'm explaining now is a bit, I don't know, because there's a different class on this. But then I'm just trying to explain it because of that chmod command. Now let's look at this bonite.txt. It has what? Read, write, it has read, then it has read. That's for the owner of the file. It means me now, I can read and write this file. Group can only read, and others can only read. So let's give it the biggest kind of permission. So we use chmod 777 bonite.txt. Now let's check it out again. Let's go back to that bonite document. Have you seen it is now having read write executable, read write executable, read write executable. This is owner, that's me. I can read write, I can even execute it. If a group comes in, they can read write and execute it. If others come in, they can do the same thing. So I'm not going to move into the aspect of call, ping. We treated that in class. So you want to ping google.com. it's pinging it. So I use Ctrl+C to stop the process. Say you want to crawl, that you want to access the URL www.google.com. It's going to go to Google's login page and bring the contents of the home page. Sorry, not login page. I know it's taking time, probably because of the network. So if you want to download a file, you're going to use widget, W-and-G-E-T. So say we have a download link. They want to download a file, you can just use widget. So this is if you compile, not like compile, this is like for the home page of Google. This is the information that you have there. So let's clear this thing. So that's going to be like the end of our class on command line interface basics. Thank you very much.